Today, the US dollar is losing momentum. Traders are moving away from risky investments due to the lack of signs of progress in the US-China trade dispute. Last week, it was reported that President Donald Trump's administration was considering the possibility of delisting Chinese companies from US stock exchanges and discussing ways to limit US investors' portfolio flows into China. However, later, the United States Treasury officials said that the White House had no intentions to take such steps. The US dollar index, which tracks the greenback against a basket of 6 major currencies, is staying firm at its highs just above the level of 99.00. The dollar-yen pair dipped by 0.10%, locating near 107.81. Investors refrained from buying the yen amid news about the unexpected improvement in China's manufacturing sector. Traders of the Australian dollar did the same. The AUD-USD pair remains flat near the 0.6750 level. According to official data, China's manufacturing PMI rose from 49.5 to 49.8 points, surpassing the forecast. Analysts expected the index to grow only to the level of 49.6. Taishin manufacturing PMI, which showed an increase from 50.4 points in August to 51.4, also boosted market sentiment. Analysts expected the figure to advance to 50.2 points. Overall, these indexes demonstrated the growth of China's domestic consumption against the background of a decrease in export volumes of national producers. Today, traders are anticipating the release of the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index for September. We keep close tabs on market developments. Stay tuned with us.